Hello students, welcome back to Shet Vidya Mandir online lectures. Today we shall continue with our topic of methods of capital account. We shall solve a sum on the same. Here is a sum. Show how the following will appear in the capital accounts of partners. Now let's call them A and B when their capitals are fixed and then fluctuating. So you have to solve the sum in two ways, when the capital is fixed and when it is fluctuating. So here see, two partners are given to you, capital is given, the opening capital is given to you, drawings during the year, interest on drawings, interest on capital, partner's salary, commission and share of profits. Now opening balance of capital will go in capital account credit side, drawings and interest on drawings will go on the debit side, and remaining interest on capital, partner's salary, commission, share of profits, all that will go in the credit side. So first let us solve this as per the fluctuating capital method. In this method only one account is prepared. All the entries relating to partner's capital is made in this account. You can see on the credit side, balance brought down 90,000, 70,000, interest on capital, salary, commission, profit and loss, all this as discussed earlier, all this is written on the credit side of the capital account. And on the debit side you can see two drawings, two interest on drawings, and after you balance the capital account to get the balance, the closing balance is given as 1,01,040 for A, and for B it is 74,930. Now children, as you can see, in case of A, the balance on 1st of April was 90,000 and now his balance is 1,01,040. So the opening balance and the closing balance are different. Similarly, in case of B, at the beginning of the year his capital was 70,000 and now at the end of the year it is 74,930. So this capital is not constant, it is not fixed, it is fluctuating. So all these adjustments are changing the capital of the partners. This is the fluctuating capital method. Under fixed capital method, we prepare two accounts, capital account and current account. Now as you can see here, in capital account you have only two entries, balance brought down and balance carried down. All other adjustments such as drawing, salary, commission, interest on capital, interest on drawings, all that is shown in the current account. In capital account, closing balance and opening balance. What else we had discussed? Suppose the partner withdraws any capital or he introduces additional capital, then that also would have been included in this capital account. But since in this sum that is not there, there are only two entries, opening and closing. Now as you can see, the opening balance and closing balance are exactly the same because this is the fixed capital method. The capital here remains the same. Now see, this is how your current account looks like. All the adjustments in capital such as interest, salary, commission, share in profit, all that is shown in the current account on the credit side, and on the debit side you have drawings and interest on drawings. And this balance which is given to you here, this is balance not of capital account but of current account. Now this is an assignment for you. Try to do this sum on your own. Take care. We shall meet again. Bye.